Hey, it's Berta J, and you're in my kitchen today for a product review. We received lighting, under cabinet lighting from Enlight. I was so excited because I have always wanted to have under cabinet lighting in two areas in my kitchen. What we received were two of these 12-inch LED lights like this, which you can either hardwire or you can do a plug-in, which we did. Okay? Now, I like these lights because they have a low profile. See how thin they are? Once it's put under the cabinet, it'll be concealed. You won't be able to see it. And of course you would put it in this way because the light shines down like that. It has two brightness settings. That one, 2. And it has 3 color temperatures. Now once you turn it on, this bar that's a rectangle, you can move it. The first one is a warm white. That's this one. That's a soft white. And this is a bright white. Okay? This was perfect for our kitchen because we have two areas that reign in darkness. And it's over here on my right-hand side, there's a bank of cabinets. And then under here is a cabinet I keep all my spices and seasoning. And though this light can be used at night when I'm working, or this one behind me, it's like this light shines light down this way and this one brings it this way, but not very much because it's not very bright. Once I open this cabinet, it's like looking into a cave or a cavern. And when we put these lights in, what a difference it made. These lights were easy to install. Evan, my son, will show you.
I didn't do the best at saying what I was doing. So first I removed the lights that we did have, and I was avoiding this, but you got to drill some pilot holes first. So you just drill a hole through the holes that are already in the light. Here I'm showing that the screws are a little bit smaller than the holes on the fixture. So when you flip it upside down, it stays there. Okay. Yeah, I drill it in. I drill the screw through the hole a little bit just till it starts to poke out. As you can see me doing there, then I line it up with the pre-drilled hole and I just screw it in, just like that. Basically the other side I just drill some pilot holes there as well. Screw there, put that in. So we take the drill gun, bammo, whammo. This jitty ain't going nowheres. Fancy little plugs, which I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, so you can just put these plugs in there. And it's pretty easy to mount if you have some basic knowledge of using drills. That's what I'm trying to say. Jeez, a little bit, but bam, there we go.
Now, wasn't that easy? It changes dark areas in your kitchen to areas that are flooded with light. And if I had to be given a test, a quick test, one question only, and it was a multiple choice, and it was, what's your rating for Enlight under cabinet lighting? And the answers were these: fantastic, outstanding, wonderful, amazing. I would say all of the above. And so I want to take the opportunity to thank Enlight for letting us have this opportunity to try and use these lights that they have sent us. They are really, really stupendous. Now, the review is over, but I want to remind you, Troopers, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to click on that bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get a notification. Thank you. Until next time. Bye for now.